Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami star. Now we will start by creating a pentagon. This is the foundation of the origami star which will affect the final appearance. To do this, we will first make a knot at one end of the strip. Fold around 5 times the width of your strip down over the other to create a loop. Take the tail of the ends and wrap it behind. Now, gently pull on both ends of the strip to tighten the knot. Now keep wrapping the strip over the pentagon as shown. Now if you're left with a little bit of the strip, you can either cut it off so that it will fit when you tuck it in here. And now, using your thumb and index finger, pinch one point and slightly press the edges simultaneously to create a basic shape. Once the basic shape is formed, gently squeeze and adjust points for a more defined shape. There you have your own origami star. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.